Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty. I want to talk to you today a little bit about the shifting market that we're starting to feel here, especially in New England. We have the presidential election going on, and it's coming up very quickly, and we've noticed that there's been less contracts coming in. There has been fewer buyer brokers being signed, less listings being signed. It seems like there's a bit of a halt, and we notice the shift in the market. These things we always watch. We watch the number of homes that come on the market, how long they sit on the market before they get an offer, so that we can know the absorption rates, they call them, to tell you how many months of inventory are being held, just so that we know when we're pricing homes, we want to price them aggressively so that we can position them within the market so that they're getting multiple showings or they're getting multiple offers as well. And, the thing that we talked about last week, I went to a panel I was blessed enough to be asked to speak on in Chicago, and we discussed the shifting market. And there's talks of December 14th, the Fed is getting together, talking about possibly increasing the interest rate. It's been this way for years now, and it's great that we have these amazing rates, and hopefully you as buyers out there know that now is the time to buy. If you put stuff under contract within the next couple weeks, we can still close it by the end of the year. You can have some great write-offs for tax purposes as well. Take advantage of those amazing interest rates. However, when the Fed meets December 14th, if they raise those interest rates, if they go up by just 1%, the buyers lose their buying power, and values on properties will start to come down if that actually happens. So what I mean by that, if interest rates go up by 1%, you're going to lose about 10% worth of buying power. So basically what that means is if you're looking at a house that's about $300,000, $3 to $350 in our area is pretty average price point. So if you're looking for a house that's $300,000 and those interest rates go up 1%, 10% down means you can only buy a house that's about $270 to get the same mortgage payment. So that's what that really means, because even when you get pre-approved for a house, you want to make sure that no matter what, you're comfortable with that monthly payment. That's what really matters in the end. So thanks, Lisa. Thanks, you guys, for watching. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm happy to answer them here too. But, that's a really big change and a big shift we're going to see. And if those things happen, then properties are probably going to sit on the market even longer. And, so then you're going to also see more inventory building up. So the properties will sit longer on the market. You're going to see an increase in inventory, and you're going to see a decrease in pricing. So it's, you want to watch these things to know what's going on. So like I said, watch the interest rate December 14th. If you've been on the fence thinking about buying or selling, now is the time to do it. Give us a call. We have a lot of great connections throughout the country. If you're moving in a different area throughout the country, call us first. We're more than happy to help you out and refer you to some of our great referral partners. A good portion of our business is based on referrals, and a huge portion of it is also based on agent to agent referrals. So I've got a great network of people I'd love to connect you with. If you or one of your family members or friends even are moving to a different part of the country, we'd love to help them out. So let me know. Happy to refer you. We're not saying these things so that we scare you guys, but we also want you to know, thanks for the likes. Whenever I see those likes or the little hearts coming across the screen, it makes me feel the love. I know somebody's watching. So please like away. That makes me so happy. Anyway, so, we just want to make sure that now is a great time to buy. And like I said, you can buy a bigger house for more money and have the same kind of payment before they raise those interest rates. Get some tax incentives by the end of the year. There's a ton of great programs we have out there. We've got great lenders to connect you with, from 100% financing loans to loans that have down payment assistance to, jumbo loans if you're looking in the higher end market. You can even, because the higher end market right now, the houses are sitting a little bit longer because a lot of people are buying smaller homes. They're less to heat, less on the utilities and that kind of thing. So if you're looking to get a home that's a little bit larger than the normal home in the area, now is a great time, because you're really going to find something that's been priced to move, and the sellers are definitely motivated in the higher end markets in Connecticut here. And the interest rates are still crazy, crazy low. So you're going to be able to buy something that you just, won't be able to buy probably in a couple months. So if you're thinking about that too, we've got a couple great options for you as well. We'd love to show you that too. And one of the things I always think about, a lot of us out there, I saw a really good quote, and it says, talking about our problems is our greatest addiction. Break the habits and talk about our joys. So, we've got some good news besides the election coming up. People are always having babies, they're getting married, or they're relocating for jobs, or they want to buy an investment property so that they can pay for their kids' college. If you guys know anybody out there that's been thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, please have them give us a call. We'd love to help them out. My number is 860-690-0679. And, if they're on the fence, they don't know if they should do an investment property because, the stock market is not doing so hot. So if, they want to pull their money out of stocks, want to put it in something a little more safe that tends to appreciate and builds equity, the most millionaires are made in a down market. So buying those investment properties, buying properties that can gain value while you get a renter in there, hold properties, that's a really great idea too. So if you've been thinking about that stuff too, make sure you give us a buzz on that, because we've got a lot of great investors that we work with that build a portfolio of homes, rental homes in particular, that they own. They'll either own them for a short amount of time until they build equity, and they can depreciate the value, so it helps in their taxes as well. Or they'll hold them like we do, so that we can pay for our kids' college one day, because it's a great way to invest and have somebody else pay off the mortgage. And then you literally have that money available to you and ready to sell when the kids are done with college. Plus you have some debt that shows so that you can get some more financial aid and that kind of thing as well. So just keep all those things in mind. If you guys have any questions about real estate here in Connecticut or Lower Mass, we cover both. We are more than happy to help you out. If you need a referral somewhere throughout the country, just let me know. Thank you for your likes and love on here. I really appreciate it. Please feel free to share our video, and you can always reach us at starrealtygroup.com for more details. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day, guys.